Guys, this is Kevin Gambao and you are watching D Sports TV.
What is up mga Lodi? Grabe ang bakbakan sa Phil Oil Eco Oil ECJ Pre-Season Cup Semifinals. At para sa video na ito ay pag-usapan natin ang laban ng UP Fighting Maroons at ang FEU Tamaraws. Kaya tutok na at panoorin natin ang napakainit na laban na ito. Nakaka-excite talaga ang game na ito. Alam natin na underdog ang FEU sa laban na to, pero hindi sila basta-basta magpapatalo. Ang kanilang super rookie na si BJ Pre ay todo bigay. Talaga naman nakipagtapatan dito kay Francis Lopez. Sino kaya magwawagi? Tara at panoorin natin ito mga Lodi.
Oh, 100% talaga. Mr. 100%.
There's going to be a repeat of that finals last year between LaSalle and UPB right now for the basketball. And in this particular ball game, Francis, and he opens up the Fighting Maroons. Merong pinanggigigilan ito si Francis Lopez coming into this ball game. John Chambers and John Ray Pasaol.
Hindi magawa yun. Siguro i-challenge natin yung sarili natin.
Sa'yo, ikaw, kailangan mo.
Pwede, oo.
4-2.
Defense there by Jerry Abidjano.
Lopez again on the attack.
Lopez.
And it was just yesterday.
So, hindi mo alam kung mentally tired na ba yung FE.
4-point lead, 8-4. Eto na, Mr. Hero. Heroic Jorik. He makes his first 2 points in the game. Francis Lopez. Naging hero man siya kahapon with only 5 points. Nahihirapan magsimula. Now, he becomes aggressive. And there goes his first here in the first period. Quick play. Lamang na ang FEU. 10-9. Nice. 11-10 UP. BJ Pre. Bosik El General, all-purpose.
Bautista still with 3 playing years left. The future definitely looks bright for the Tamaraws. Nakaka-play na yun.
John Ray firing away. Got set to go down. Monte. Danny Stevens banks it in.
Good seal by Gak.
Also play here. Who will pick up that basketball? It ends up with Jerry Abad.
Visibly bothered by the pesky defense there of Harold Alarcon. A little bit too fancy there with the pass. Pero ito, easy to by
Alam niya yung diskarte. What about Mark Belmonte?
Ito rin, talking about yung
Line inbound for FEU. Royce Alforque going inside. The knockout game against USD. And then that ball game.
an earlier bench yan.
Yeah.
Yung ganong klaseng experience, yung ang hirap ng pinagdaanan. As you see,
At saka yung ganyang mga panalo, magaganda. Yeah, truly, it's going to pump them up. But or anything not backing down against UP to consider. And VJ Pre again, an end one play for the Tamaraws.
grabe yung tick.
VJ Pre having his way, huh? And he bola, quick hands to the part of UP. 2-on-1 situation here. Going up!
Able to gain headway from UP behind that basket by Aldo Starbuck.
Chance for UP to tie or take the lead. That's exactly what happened. Recovers. Body shot rim. Battle yung nakita natin. Nagagalaw yung ring.
Oo.
Tsaka, John Chambers, it's okay. Fast shot time for UP. This floater just doesn't drop. Keeping the ball solid. Shot clock going down. Oh! Putting up some defense here. Shorik. Parang kahapon lang.
Oo. Parang
UP trying to make up for it. That shot going in. UP still on top. Jacob Baila. Royce Alforque going all the way.
Dick Pablo.
He's quiet. Mamba mentality, Mamba shoes. He's so all intimidated. He just keeps on going. And how about this? but not exactly expecting that they're just gonna be ahead like this. Dahil eto nga. Lopez, pinalipad muna si Konate, tinamaan pa.
This Lopez.
Bostic El General palaban play. Ang nakita natin dyan, all-purpose epoxy. That's it. Yes.
Titan yung handle. Wala na.
Mahasa pa. Oh my goodness, Francis Lopez.
Almost the same.
Great pass-off. They got an offensive rebound. The up-balance shot. Jeddah. Konate. Ayaw pa rin ma-war and battles. Bostic El General. 5 seconds. Another foul given up. They got several assistant coaches right there. Could have just reminded you, okay, no foul. JD splitting his charities. Pwede pa ba ito? Heroic na naman ba ito? Kung pumasok.
Gandang bawi sana yun.
Mas malapit na dapat na take off eh. Samantala, ito, PJ Pre again. Laban ni Francis Lopez, the fall away. Got set to go.
Baseline, tapos off 1 foot. Fade away.
50 ball.
Great hustle
Francis
there.
Lopez. Pushed. Foul on BJ Pre. Francis Lopez. And getting the second one to go. May problema ng konti pa yung handles nito eh, si BJ Pre.
Konti pa nga.
Kaya kailangan
Tama raw, kung mag-iinit bigla to si Brione.
for Sean Alter. Yan lang. Second chance, wala pa rin. Third chance, Konate.
Getting that follow-up to go.
Francis Lopez, wow. 12-point lead once again, and then poked. The steal. Still can't find the timing. And that ball fine. Konate slams it down. Jeddah up.
But as they fine-tune execution and as ginagampanan niya since juniors, and one thing he said they learned yesterday, it's that hanggat may oras.
Now the first Bostic El General all-purpose epoxy free.
Miguel Ona doing a good job containing Konate. Pero ito,
Chico nabitin. Udona was challenged.
bumalik siya. Tingnan na ba si Joric Bautista?
Richie Rivero.
Pero brothers, hindi Cantino.
Atake. Off balance. And drops. They were ready to bounce on him as soon as he just turned his face away. Royce Alforque. Alforque so far.
Time.
Sa pamangkin, Chunning in this game.
Yes, yun yung
For
papanginig
FEU.
ko rin eh. Oh. Current penalty.
Godinez to the setup. Godinez for three, knocks it down. It's Godinez once again. Stop and pop. Maguno. Well, they made the effort good. And we know that he can still provide some more. Tipped in. Konate unable to control, and it's alley-oop play.
Finally, that alley-oop play paying Cedric Da. Grabe yung tirang yun.
Konate, this is gonna be big. Bang!
And it is.
Jordan.
Important being used to over-prepare, hindi lang prepare dahil after the last seasons, ayaw na nilang
First, JD. And Weisberg, smart routine.
Tira niya. And again, that UP was able to stem. Nailayo nila ng
Make that fires the three. Gets a three. A very quiet 13 points for him as Francis Lopez lays it in for 2. 5 minutes. Oh, and they lead by 11. Turnaround shot is in. It's like just gave away that basketball to UP. Jerry Abandiano from the corner.
Ang maturity ng UP Fighting Maroons ang nagdala sa kanila sa kalamangan. Nakuha nila ang momentum at tuloy-tuloy na ang kanilang pag-arangkada. Kahit anong gawin ng FEU, sadyang napakalakas ng UP. At sa huli, nagtapos ang laro sa score na 89-77 pabor sa UP. Sa tingin ko ay malayo ang mararating ng kuponan na ito sa UAAP. Para sa UP naman sobrang lakas talaga. So yun mga Lodi, anong masasabi nyo sa laro na ito? Madepensahan kaya nila ang corona? Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ay mag-subscribe ka na sa ating channel. Paki-follow na rin ang ating Facebook page Utak Pilipinas. Again, this is D Sports TV. Paalam.